Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, which is best practices if Stripe capital payment deductions are high. I've been there, watching a significant chunk of my daily revenue go to the automatic Stripe capital repayment. It feels like a high-speed drain, but you have to remember this financing was a strategic choice. The repayment is a percentage of your sales, so the deduction naturally goes up when your sales are good. The real challenge is managing the impact of that high deduction on your overall cash flow. Here are the best practices I've used to handle high deductions. 1. Get total clarity on your terms. First, you must understand the structure. Stripe Capital is typically a merchant cash advance style product, meaning you owe a fixed total amount, the principal plus a flat fee, the factor rate. You pay this back through a percentage of your daily sales, called a repayment rate or deduction percentage. The deduction rate is fixed. The dollar amount is variable. 2. Manage your cash flow net of the deduction. This is the most critical change you can make. You need to budget and plan based on the money that actually hits your bank account, not your gross sales. Create a realistic daily/weekly cash flow forecast. Keep a buffer. 3. Strategically accelerate repayment when it makes sense. The downside of the high deduction is that the money is gone quickly. The one upside is that you get out of debt faster, but remember, since the fee is fixed up front, paying early doesn't save you money on interest. Pay to qualify for a new offer. Don't pay early just to save cash flow. 4. Optimize your operating capital. Instead of focusing only on the deduction, I looked at ways to reduce other cash drains in the business. Tighten accounts receivable, AR. Delay accounts payable, AP, strategically. High deductions are the cost of flexible, fast capital. The best practice is not to panic, but to adjust your internal cash management systems to account for the consistent withdrawal. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.